Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So today in this video we are gonna talking about how we can use ChatGPT as a student in our studies. So are you ready to take your learning to the next level? So say hello to ChatGPT, your personal AI assistant. In this guide, we'll explore how ChatGPT can supercharge your studies and unlock your full potential. So without doing any further delay, let's get started. So first thing is asking questions. Yes, you can ask questions about your homework, related to your homework and assignments to get clear explanation and clarifications. So you can ask questions related to your homework and assignment that are running in your mind. For example, you can ask explain vector analysis and you will get clear explanation and overall summary, and you can easily understand all these things. And guys, let's talk about another thing, that is language learning. Practice language skills by having conversations with ChatGPT. Even you can talk with ChatGPT assistant and you will feel that you are talking with a person in real life, and that will help you a lot to improve your language learning skills. If you're learning English and whatever language you are learning, that will help you a lot. You can get help with your grammar, like you can ask questions that correct my grammar mistake in this sentence, and you'll get quick result and you'll see the better version of your sentence, and that will help you a lot in your assignment, in your resume. So yeah, you can do that. And one more thing that I've told you before, that having a conversation. Yeah, having a conversation is very fun. Even you can ask for create a conversation between me and my friend, and you will get a full conversation about any topic. You can ask on a specific topic and you will get a whole conversation, and then you can practice with that. And you can also ask questions about vocabularies, idiom, phrases. If you're learning an accent, you can also ask question about how to learn an accent, so that will help you a lot. Overall, you can use ChatGPT as your personal guide for learning a language. So happy language learning, and let's start. And let's talk about our third thing, and third thing is that study aid. You can create study guides like flashcards, practice questions with ChatGPT for better retention. And you know, the most relevant thing that I've noticed in ChatGPT, whenever you chat with ChatGPT, even you are asking question with ChatGPT, you feel you are talking with a person in real life and you are chatting with a person. So that will help you a lot to get engaged with ChatGPT, and that will also help you to better understand. If you are struggling with your resume or writing a Gmail, you can also get help with these things. And guys, let's talk about our fifth thing. Fifth thing is that general knowledge. Yes guys, if you are feeling bored and you feel free at that time, you can expand your general knowledge by asking questions with ChatGPT that's running in your mind, and that will help you a lot to expand your general knowledge, and you will learn a lot of things by asking questions with ChatGPT. That will help you to being not bored and to be productive. And guys, let's talk about our sixth thing, and sixth thing is coding assistant. Yes guys, you can use ChatGPT as a coding assistant that will help you and also save your time. If you don't know how to write a code, you can ask to ChatGPT, write a code for my business website, and you'll get quick result. After that, you can modify some things on your personal preference, so that will help you a lot. And guys, let's move on our last and seventh thing, and that is used for summarization. For summarize anything, like you are reading a book and you don't know the key points of that book, so you can just ask for like write the summary of Rich Dad and Poor Dad. You'll get the key points and overall a summary that will easy to understand, and you can learn a lot of things. So guys, this is the basic video about ChatGPT, and you can use that as a student. But there are also a lot of things that you can do with ChatGPT, like sending photos and asking for AI photos. That will help you a lot in your work or in your studies. There are also a lot of things that you can do with ChatGPT. So guys, this is basic video. I hope you like this video, and if you guys are new over here, subscribe my channel for these type of videos. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. For till, thanks for watching this video. Bye.